when you have siblings, right? How many of you guys have siblings? And some of you guys probably got like several siblings. But when you was little, it's just like seemed like as you get older, you can see how you guys have grown. But as a child, you just see how you always just do stuff to bother each other all the time.
Yeah.
Like why?
Before. He never met a girl like you with a face like yours before. Now he in love with a fat girl.
And I know people ask us a lot, like, if we could go back in time to change anything, would you? I don't think I would.
Yeah, because those things make you.
Those things can break you or build you.
What up, gang, gang, gang? It's your favorite couple.
And we back with another.
Today we have breakfast, guys. We got some strawberries, some sausage, bacon, eggs, and some pancakes. What's up?
I know y'all probably still watching us do this breakfast challenge, but we over there now. And we got breakfast again. But before we get in this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell to be notified, give this video a thumbs up. Go check out the Epic Empire, links in the description below. And while y'all down there, check out the Culture Water Bottle, that link is down there as well.
Yes. Alright, you want to hear this, Grace?
Yes. Father God, come for you today. Ask you to bless the ones who prepare this food. Let it be next to our bodies. In your name we pray.
Amen. Amen.
Without the syrup on the pancake.
I know the eggs, y'all. Y'all probably like, you still want some eggs?
That was a couple days ago, so, you know, we over that stage.
But yes, y'all. Anyways, how you guys feeling today? How was your weekend?
How was your Memorial Day?
Right. It's hitting. Y'all know I don't even like pancakes like that.
I was shocked when she said she wanted some pancakes this morning.
They're bacon. Make sure y'all can see. Pancake good.
It's been so long since we had pancakes.
Right. Mama Bree here, y'all, so she made them. Them eggs is hitting. Put that cheese in there.
I ain't eat no eggs this morning. I'm drinking on some Powerade this morning.
That sausage good. Get a bite. Anyway, shout out to everybody who did the Dirty Dozen Challenge, y'all.
Yeah, shout out to everyone.
It's definitely trending right now. I mean, a lot of y'all.
Shout out to the EE for doing it too.
Epic Empire. Epic Empire got some more challenges about to drop. Make sure y'all subscribe to everybody's channel.
This is a good breakfast.
It really is.
We gotta get us a waffle maker.
Uncle Earl made the best waffles though. He gave me his recipe like 5 times. Comment below some other stuff y'all want to see us eat or try.
I'll get one of these strawberries.
And yeah.
They sweet.
Well, you know it's hard to taste sweet on top of sweet. But They definitely in season.
Cause normally when you buy strawberries, they're not in season. You gotta wait a couple days for them to be sweet.
You know, when you have siblings, right? How many of you guys have siblings? And some of you guys probably got like several siblings. But when you was little, this just like seemed like as you get older, you can see how you guys have grown. But as a child, you just see how you always just do stuff to bother each other all the time.
Yeah.
Like why? Why do siblings mess with each other so much?
Well, for me being a younger sibling, I don't know how it is for you being the oldest sibling.
I was very serious growing up.
Yeah, so having older siblings that was very serious. When you got younger siblings like me, I was a younger sibling that was playful. You wanna irk your older sibling nerves.
Mike, can you turn the TV on a little bit?
But yeah, so.
But yeah, I was gonna say like, cause me growing up, I was a very serious child. Like, I didn't really play. Like, my brother was a prankster. DJ always played. DJ always just did stuff just to irk my nerves. But me, I never played pranks and stuff. Like, I would wake up with powder all over my face because he did something crazy.
See, me and my siblings, we always used to get each other in trouble. Meaning, we'll do something and blame it on the next person.
Why do we blame? I don't know why we did. I did that too. And
then my mom started catching on to it, and when one of us did something, we all got a butt. Because it kind of like, well, y'all blaming each other, so I'm gonna whoop all y'all tail.
And that's probably the best thing to do, especially when you know all your kids sitting in the living room together and somebody so and so.
See, my mom, she had 5 kids at the time. She had 5 kids at the time, so.
In one house at the same time.
So when you line up to get a butt whooping, and when you already crying before you can get your butt whooped.
See, my Rayshaun, she don't care about no tears. Cry. She's like, you cry blood for all I care.
Oh, my mama, that parents' favorite word is, you better stop all that crying before I give you something to cry for. And they were serious about that thing. They give you something to cry for.
With the quickness.
And don't reach back to grab that belt, switch your hand, because you might catch some knuckles from my mama.
No. My daddy was the only one who hit for a punch DJ. But
But I just want to say thank my mama for making me who I am today. Even though I'm still kind of hard-headed, but
yeah, Rayshaun is very hard-headed. He was our person. He'll just keep trying until he gonna see how far he can go. You are. Me, all you gotta do is tell me, Prissy, don't go down that road. Now, some things I might test a little bit, but if you tell me don't go down there because something down there might hurt you, I'm gonna kind of go for your word.
see me, I'll go all the way. If you tell me not to go down that road, I go as far as I go before I reach where.
No, sometimes you end up in destruction.
Sometimes, but
Yeah.
most of the time I go to where reach destruction, and then I'd be like, dang, I should have never went.
But I'm at a place in my life now. I don't want to have those thoughts like, dang, I should never. I want to just get it the first time.
And I know people ask us a lot, like, if we could go back in time to change anything, would you? I don't think I would.
Yeah, because those things make you.
Those things can break you or build you. And most of those things that I went through in my life built me.
That was a good breakfast.
I really enjoyed that breakfast. But I'm good. I'm satisfied.
I hit the spot. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit that baby notified, give this video a thumbs up. Go check out the Epic Care Problems description below. While y'all down there, get y'all coolest water bottle, the link is down there as well. Until next time.
Gang, gang, gang.